Today we're making a gyudon, or a Japanese beef bowl. It is a classic comfort Japanese home style of cooking because it's so quick and so easy to prepare. I prefer making a beef bulgogi for my gyudon than the traditional Japanese recipe because it just tastes better, sorry. Oh, and in less exciting news, I tried to make onsen tamago or hot spring eggs and I failed miserably. Anyway, let's do this. First, let's prepare our marinade sauce. In a bowl, add in light soy sauce. Optional, but I'm adding half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce just to give it a nice darker caramelized color. Next, I'm going to be using a pear, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. You can also use an apple if you can't find pears. I grated just half a pear for this recipe. I adapted this from making Korean bulgogi. I just love the fresh sweetness the pear gives to the beef. Anyway, next, while we have the grater, go ahead and grate in ginger, about a tablespoon worth. Next, grate in some garlic, or just use ready-made minced garlic like I am here. If you don't have a grater thingy, then it's perfectly fine. Just finely chop the pear, ginger and the garlic. Finally, we're adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix that marinade up and then we add in the beef. I'm using shabu shabu beef here, or thinly sliced beef that's typically used for hot pot. Any thinly sliced beef will do. I have about 300 grams of beef here, by the way. Let the sliced beef marinate. Overnight would be best, but at least 30 minutes. So go wash the dishes, contemplate your life choices, or scroll through TikTok. So yeah. Or you can also grab an onion and slice it like this. I'm using 1 onion here. And then once you give it time to marinate, this is what your beef slices should look like. Okay, let's get ready to cook. In a pan, add some oil. Once it's hot, add in the onions. We're going to let the onions hang out for a while. I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of water just to help speed up the cooking process just a little bit. Once some onions have wilted just a little bit, make a cute sort of onion halo like this, and then add in the marinated beef in the middle. I also added some water to the marinade bowl and added that to the pan. We don't want to waste all of the yummy bulgogi marinade sauce. And also because I like a little bit more sauce for my gyudon. The beef slices should actually cook really fast, so go ahead and stir that in with the onions. Next, we're adding a couple of dashes of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Stir that through, give it a little taste test and see how you like it. I'm going to be adding 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce here. And then finally, you're done. I wanted onsen tamago or hot spring eggs on my gyudon. These are basically soft-boiled eggs, so I looked up recipes on YouTube and they all literally had the same recipe, and I thought, well, can't mess this up, right? So I'm boiling 1 liter of water. Once it's boiled, take it off the heat and add in 200 milliliters of cold tap water, and then add in the cold eggs. Set the timer for a very specific 17 minutes. 17 minutes later, me very excited, and nope. So I ended up boiling the eggs for a couple of minutes to get soft-boiled eggs, right? Nope, it became hard-boiled eggs. So I added some water to the filled egg, microwaved it on high for 1 minute to get sort of poached eggs. If you're microwaving the eggs, then please be careful because eggs can explode in microwaves. So yeah. Anyway, if you got onsen tamago, then cool. Let me know what I did wrong. Anyway, back to the more successful beef gyudon. Place some rice in a bowl like this, and then I like to put the bulgogi beef over the rice this way. I like using a bowl, that way all of that yummy sauce and juices can flow into the rice. Then crack your onsen tamago over, or in my case slide the egg over, and give it one last garnishing and sprinkling of sesame seeds, and then you're done. This is a hearty, easy and quick recipe that you can get done in 30 minutes or less if you don't take into account the time it takes to marinate, of course. Great for a weekday dinner and a general crowd pleaser. So try this, okay? Bye! Teach me how to make onsen eggs, please help.